Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oregano oil lamp. It's a simple and natural way to create a pleasant ambience. First, let's gather our essential items. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh oregano leaves, 2 cups of vegetable oil, a small amount of salt, a ceramic jar, and a cotton wick. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your materials, let's prepare the star ingredient, the oregano. Begin by thoroughly washing about 1 cup of fresh oregano leaves under cool, running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Once clean, finely chop the leaves. This increases their surface area, allowing more of their natural oils and aromatic compounds to infuse into your chosen vegetable oil later on. With your oregano prepared, it's time to infuse the oil. Place the finely chopped oregano leaves into a pan and add about 2 cups of vegetable oil. Heat the mixture gently, bringing it to a boil for approximately 15 minutes. After boiling, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Once cool, strain the oil to separate the infused liquid from the oregano leaves, leaving you with fragrant oregano oil. Finally, let's assemble your beautiful oregano oil lamp. Take your ceramic container and pour a small amount of salt into the bottom. About 1 tablespoon should be sufficient. Next, carefully position your cotton wick upright in the center of the container. Now, pour your freshly infused oregano oil into the jar, making sure the wick is well saturated. Your natural, aromatic oil lamp is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.